Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I always say welcome to today, and on today's video is another beautiful day. We say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Where is here? Where is here? Here it's at Claude Joseph's channel, and of course we love you all for the amazing great day that you have really granted to us, and much thanks also to you guys for this amazing time and great beautiful day. As you see, again today we have received what we call like a very great sunshine. Huh? You are my sunshine, you are my sunshine, you make me happy, something like that. There's that beautiful song that always being sung here and there with and also sung for the kids. But we give much thanks also to Almighty God for this great day and for the amazing, beautiful, amazing day. On today's video, guys, it's another beautiful day. I'm shooting this video from this area over here in Bamburi, Mombasa, Kenya. Actually, the coastal part of Kenya, the best and amazing coastal in Africa, or in East Africa, let's say in Africa, which is an amazing day. So this day today we're going to prepare what we call like goat soup, and also it's not only for me but also for friends that also have traveled from the village back to this place and said, hey, let's go and just surprise Claude Joseph. So we're going to just do some little shopping, then we'll be back in the house to see how everything is, because you have been seeing me starting my videos all the way from this storage building over here on top, or inside the house. But today was another day, and we have been like, oh, it's another great day. So let's just see what we can do, and also taking you around, and also be joining with my friends in whom you'll be seeing him, or we have been seeing him over here, and also in a while you'll be seeing him not here. So let me welcome him. Oh, Charlie, come this side. Let's also welcome him over here. He can say something. Hey,
young man.
How are you, young man?
I'm fine.
All big man.
Yeah.
It's called big man.
Yeah. They say Harry does not have braces, hey. But I'm coming here very early.
Very early.
And I want just to do 1 2 1 2, and to make sure that this day look beautiful and great. Yeah, and great. That's why I'm here.
That's why you are here.
Yeah. We are going to do something which we are going to show you what we are going to do.
Absolutely.
Yeah, my name is Charlie B. Yeah, Charlie B.
Yeah, guys, this is Charlie B, and actually I've been seeing him since the time we were in Mombasa. Since he came in the hospital when we were having what we call like we were in the maternity ward. He was there, and today also he was like, no man, that's our son, that's our daughter, you know, your daughter is my daughter, or mi casa su casa, which means my house is your house. So today he decided like, okay, I'm with friends over here, we have organized a small thing, let's prepare the goat soup for me, Howie, and the family and friends also, so that we can enjoy. And also on the other end, you saw him was like, oh, no, today we are going to slaughter chicken, but today it's whole goat. So are you ready for this? Let's see you in this amazing place, and also make sure you watched it to the end. Pay much attention, grab a very cold juice or water with popcorns, turn on your TV and enjoy these amazing episodes over here. So let's go. We will be right back after the break. All right. So it has been raining over here, guys, and currently we received a very heavy rain, which will also in this lesson. As you see, we have a lot of bunches of rain. Let's just proceed. Yeah, so we are actually at this place, one of the greatest areas. So we are actually at the butchery. I'm here with True Boy and with also Charles, and actually, well, we want to buy something for soup. So they say today it's actually for goat. So let's try and see. Hey, I'm Charles. So you are living here alone here. So we are doing something here, and also we are with True Boy. Hey, True Boy,
this is Mr. TV,
hey.
Mr. True Boy over here. We just arrived in this amazing mall over here, and we want to do some shopping for our. Today is, today is all about. You are going to see anyway. It's all about food. You know, where there is food, True Boy is always there. I like food like crazy, Yeah. So guys, this is Mr. True Boy. Welcome to Mr. CJ Claude Joseph YouTube channel. I'm so grateful to join this team. We've been at home, but finally we are in coastal regions of Kenya, which is Mombasa. I just came at least to see how baby Maria is doing. Fantastic.
Guys, today I'm the only one who don't have the cape. You know, all of my friends love capes.
Yeah.
You know, they love to put on the cape.
It's too hot, that's why.
It's too hot.
So,
sometimes if you don't put it on, your face will just come like, you see.
Yeah.
You just have some scales. But anyway, let's just do some little shopping over here. And thank you so much for coming, man. Because it was like I couldn't make it in the village right now because the baby is very small. So it was like, with me for now, I'm very mobile. I can come. I thought it was just a joke, but all of a sudden, here he is. So let's just do a small shopping again, just a little small shopping. Then we see what we can have, and then we'll be moving all around. So we are at Naivas, and this is one of the best places that we always come to see and do something. Hey bro, wenda kuja na nini? Na troll. Ano ile troll ya black iko hii side ingine.
Troll ya blue.
So I want just to have something like add milk, maybe 3 milk. Chalbi. You want to drink tea?
Yeah.
Okay. So this way. And then so I want to just buy some tomatoes and onions. I think onions today, and also carrots. Okay, sorry bro. So I think just by this way it should be better for me. So we have to have some carrots, honey. Add a little of onions. I think. So also guys, wanna just have the capsicums. I guess it should be. I think 3 of them will be better. Then we wanna add also like some fruits. I don't know if the tomatoes, no, the mangoes are okay today because sometimes they're not ripe. They're not that much ripe. So today our honorable, our honorable chef.
I'm doing something here.
Honorable chef is cutting. He's struggling with the chef, with the knife. Is the knife blunt or sharp?
Yeah, this knife is very, very blunt. I don't know how to cut this meat.
Guys,
I'm
look,
just fighting.
He has been going around the whole kitchen like cutting the beef, the how do you call the goat's meat or goat's meat? Yeah, how do you call goat's meat? Yeah? There's a name that we call goat's meat. No, it can't be mutton.
Okay.
There's something called. So there's a name that belongs to a goat.
Okay.
Mutton is for the sheep.
For the sheep.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And pork for the
all is we can call it goat meat.
There's a name. Why am I forgetting? Something beef or something like that. Okay. So anyway, guys, let's do as he's chopping the beef. Also, I'll be washing the utensils. As also, we'll be welcoming True Boy over here because he has gone for a phone call, and then we see what's happening. All right, let's see. There's the kitchen. We're killing everything in here, you know? Yeah. Guys, I had to come for help with him now. He has to put the other one there. You know, we are qualified chefs over here. Both of us, we did home science.
Yeah, of course.
So we have to help each other. So we marinate. Another one should be done on the other end. So slowly by slowly, we are butchering this. No, not. Is that even YouTube term? It's not YouTube.
Just look how it is.
So we want to prepare soup for our lovely wife. How? Another soup. Now the other time it was oxtail. Today it will be goat. The next time it will be something else. Maybe it can be even sungura. Anything that you recommend for us. If we get money, we buy it. As long as we have to keep our wife strong and to regain her good health. Or what else, Charles?
Of course, we must take care of Minihawi because as I told you earlier, guys, Minihawi is like my big sister.
Yeah.
We are doing all these things because we love her.
We love her, yeah.
We love her very much.
Yeah, and also, guys, today, you know, it's this one is corresponding with a very good, great, what you call like a send-off party for my friend here.
Yeah.
As we told you the other time that he'll be promoted to another place. So it was like, instead of us going party anywhere,
of course,
let's just do something here. Well, we eat with the friends.
Yeah.
Because invest where necessary, you know. So let's see how everything is around. So let's cut the beef. Is this even the butcher knife? But we are trying. How are you? Guys, it is a shift over. You know, now our whole goat, today is a lot. You see? Our friends decided to just go buy almost the whole goat to bring and boil it. Just for our lovely wife here. And also for... Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Give thanks.
I know.
To Almighty God for this amazing day. Oh, I love it when you hold me that.
Oh, this way. Can I sleep here? Can I sleep here?
You sleep if you wish.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway.
Good morning, my wonderful people. Today is my day, and as you can see, goat is boiling. And so,
goat is
boiling. Goat decided to boil. It's boiling itself. So, our lovely friends, his friends, let me just say that first, because he met them first. So, I've decided to come and spoil me, the queen, and make me some soup. Like they saw that I need something. They need to boost my energy. So they're here, and it's 2 or 3 of them. So they are going to. They've been here. So I woke up to a boiling pot, boiling soup, boiling meat, boiling beef.
And the pot is so big.
It's so big. Yes, I don't know how. Like I'm going to swallow.
This one is the
without.
No, the bigger one is up there. I thought that.
Yeah.
That's the biggest.
No, that's not bigger.
That's the biggest.
Yeah, that's the biggest. Sorry. I'm going to swallow without chewing. Guys, I'm preparing. I've just brushed my teeth and practicing. I've been practicing on how to swallow things.
That reminds me when we used to. I remember my brother Jacob when mom used to prepare rice. When it's rice day or chapati, he could take a file. You know a file, a real file.
And file his teeth.
And starts filing this way. Hey, today we are eating rice and chapati.
Like seriously, I'm joking.
Serious. So it's just like you all used to tell that.
Teeth.
No, my dad used to say that. Hey, mutiria maino.
So he usually does that.
That's what mutiria maino means. Sharpen your teeth. So it's just like a saying that, hey, today we are slaughtering a goat. So sharpen your teeth. So my brother Jacob used to take a file and then he started doing like. So the moment we do this, it's like, you know, the moment you do it, it's like gargling. So you feel
it spoils my
spoil the teeth.
Already just saying.
So you feel like
makes me feel like
sometimes he ends up not even eating the beef, the goat.
So guys, it's my day today, and I'm so happy and lucky to have people who care, who just decided to come and join me and celebrate with me or support me. You know, this supports, like making sure that I'm healthy. It supports, like they come all the way from the village to come and just make me feel special. Something amazing.
So
how has it been?
It has been good. We have been running up and down. I've been going to the butcher.
I woke up only to find that he's not there in the house. You know, and I was like, where is this man of mine?
You know, nowadays even I want to buy this kind of shirts and be putting on this way.
Be so.
And then I put on a suit. Then I walk chest high, shoulders high.
And
then you walk, you'll be like, ooh, wow. Anyway, guys, that's it. So let me prepare this soup over here. And I'm with my friend also, True Boy.
True Boy is around also.
True Boy is around. He's just there. Charles was here preparing, cutting or chopping the beef. I'm
sad Charles left it somewhere. He's leaving for somewhere. So we will be less one friend.
It's good is that he has been promoted for work, which is a very good
promotion.
Thing. Yeah, promotion, which is a very good. But promotion from this side to another place.
Growth.
Yeah, we call it growth, and also like we are happy for a friend, you know. So yeah, that's how everything is.
I was so used to Charles. I was so used to him.
Because he's in Mombasa.
No, and then now he's like, we're used to each other. I think we clicked. Yeah. So
why not you?
You know we clicked long time ago. Our clicking is very special.
Come say something. Come say. You want me to say something? Yeah. You clicked long time ago. These are the people who they always go astride for each other, then come back again.
We fight with Juma a lot.
These are two people who fight and come back
but
again.
But that doesn't mean that there's anything. But then I'm just saying, Juma, we clicked long time ago.
She's my in-law.
Yeah, so we're not fighting in a bad way. We disagree to agree.
To agree,
yeah, a lot with Juma, but it's more close. Like I got close to him compared to Charles. Charles is just, I don't know whether because he was telling me you don't know Charles. I feel like I know Charles because he was polite.
You don't know Charles.
I don't know
you
Charles.
Still don't know Charles. But he's a very quiet and humble man. Yeah. Yeah.
So Juma is a special case, and we're not going to
special case. How is it a special case?
We're not going to separate or disagree forever. Like it's not permanent.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, like he's someone I love and care about so much. Even if anything were to happen to him, I'll feel so terrible.
Oh, very, very,
But when I don't want to see him, I'm like, I don't want to see you.
You know, what I know is maybe she was pregnant.
But mood swings.
And my pregnancy didn't want him.
Her moods maybe never wanted me, you know.
Guys, let me tell you.
I don't say.
Let me tell you one thing today. You know, actually, I told you one day that sometimes when somebody is pregnant, also a lady, sometimes the things that she disagree with, and there's some things that she like, and there's some things that I might be liking them, but her she doesn't like. Yeah. And there's something that I might be disliking, but her she likes. Like there's a time that also like she disliked even me sometimes, you know. She could not, like, I could just even pronounce something, like, it's not been said that way, why are you doing this? Quarreling every time. So, but
every time?
But not every time, but I used,
most
of the time. Out of 100, let's say 50%.
50%. Because guys, the things they could do that was so annoying and irritating.
So sometimes,
and then now they could sometimes do it with the Juma, and I'm like, I don't want to see all of them. Oh my God, I don't. When I hear the bike coming, I could just close my eyes with the blanket, especially the village, and just cover my head. Because I'm like, we are here again. Can they just go?
And also, there's a time we were building with at True Boy's home. Then we could go there, and the mason are disturbing. Sometimes we have to build slowly. And then I get late back home. So she'll be like, where are you up to now? If you're building, how are you building? Why can't you leave the building by this time? I understand that, I know it's just pregnancy. Then in the morning, when I just lay, she could tell me, now today you're not going to help True Boy, eh? You're not going to help True Boy. You're not going. What happened? You're no more friends or what? Like, now I had out to go. When I go again, phone calls. Hey, why you want to see?
It wasn't that much.
Guys, that's why I was like.
It was much.
That's why I was like.
It was not much.
It's okay.
That's why I was like, my God, handling a pregnant woman, and you cannot.
No. It was actually I think the initial stages when I had like a lot of do you know the first 3 months, the first trimester, going to the second trimester was a bit chaotic, to me, But anyway, I used
You're
to
happy
be,
now?
I used to,
Oh man, that's my wife, man.
Come on,
just joking. Hey,
guys, he's a good brother.
Now we are finally
We are reuniting. During our pregnancy, Juma was like,
Juma could come, you keep quiet. Sometimes, I'm just saying, Juma could come, you keep quiet sometimes.
Because I used to feel he's taking you away all the time. When I'm
it was all about the construction when we were building my house down there. So most of the time we used to be with the CJ. So she could think that we have gone maybe loitering there with.
No, guys, let me say they could go for a long time. But
even okay. Let me tell you one thing. When we were bringing materials in our construction place, did you see how the guy we used to go even like almost 3 hours or 4 hours without bringing the materials?
He could go from morning to evening. I've not seen him.
Just
let's say the truth.
Yes.
So it used to not in a bad way. It used to frustrate me. Like, where is he? Like
there's a time
I cook, he doesn't eat. I cook, he
that's
to
for
cook,
sure.
he does not come to eat. So it used to frustrate
that used to frustrate her.
In the case of eating. With us, my mom used to prepare us food.
Yes, you see now.
And she could not allow this guy not to eat.
Now, guys, you cook every day. He doesn't take breakfast. He doesn't come for lunch, and he doesn't eat supper. And supper time, they are going to the border to eat.
Guys,
so it's like every day.
I think the video, the title of this video will be confession.
His food. Will be spoiled every day. I used to give it to the boy. What's his name? The one who used to work. Peter every morning his food.
But I'm sorry if I did that. I'm sorry.
So it used to really frustrate me.
Yeah, I know now you have confessed to all because I never knew why you used to get angry because she used to cook. She was pregnant every day. She could prepare breakfast, lunch, and at times I could eat at True Boy's late evening, and I cannot come and eat during the day.
And remember, I've gone to the border to look
for the food.
And then I come, he's not there. Sometimes he's not picking calls. He's not like I used to.
Sometimes I could leave even the phone there. There's a time also we went to look for ballast. Yeah, we went for ballast. There's a time we went for ballast in Migori, past Migori, and we left the phone. Because the guy who was to bring us ballast has delayed for almost 1 week, telling us that the ballast hasn't been gotten because we wanted grade 1. So that day we went almost a whole day looking for a tractor, looking for the ballast. So I wanted to tell you, but I knew you couldn't believe that.
Now, if at all, let me put it like this: if at all there's anyone you're offended, or especially him, this one even in the morning he pissed me off. So he I want to apologize. If at all felt some type of way, you felt bad, you were like this
let me now open myself.
Confess.
Let me just say the truth now. With me, I knew she was pregnant. So in everything that she used to, even I never
returned her back.
Just I waited.
I even blocked him on my phone.
She blocked me anyway. She blocked me. Till when I called the CJ, when I knew that she has given birth, I called the CJ to tell her, hey bro, tell me how you at least unblock me so I can even say congratulations.
That's when I unblocked him.
So it's when she unblocked me. But I knew that there is one day she will.
Of course.
Confession, guys. Me, I've kept quiet.
No, it's like we need it was just like those people. One of it's. I think it was not even Juma alone. And was there anyone else?
No, Juma.
Because Juma was the one you were close with, and you guys used to go and get lost with him. So you feel like you guys are ganging up against me. No. It was just a pregnancy feeling like these guys.
All they're just repeating.
They don't want to
you.
eat my food.
Yeah.
They don't want to. I used to feel so bad.
Oh,
Especially the thing that pissed me off most was not eating, and I cook every day.
Yeah.
And
But
he
you
doesn't come to eat.
imagine, let me tell you.
And when he comes in the morning, he picks you before you. Then he goes and you don't take
Let
breakfast.
me tell you the
Every morning.
You could go. Guys, we could go. And you know,
But no hard feelings.
yeah, by that time actually, there were no like. Actually, I knew she was pregnant, and I couldn't have been carrying her on the bike up
No,
and
of
down the
course
going.
not.
And also, we used to go breakfast, lunch. I could eat it at True Boys. Late evening, we could go to cross by to Tanzania while we were taking the Masons back to
And
Tanzania.
remember, he knows he has not eaten at home the whole day.
And we drink.
And then the drink, when he
porridge there.
comes, he's full. You know, when he comes at night, he's full because that porridge is very heavy. When
Very
you
heavy.
take one cup and those mandalas,
You are done.
You are done. So when he comes in the house, he's already full.
But
so he
now-
does not eat.
But
So
now,
every day.
Also with me, even I was
So
not even
me,
eating at night.
you are single.
Mm.
Him is married. That's the difference.
Even though, so he would have even at least now.
He does not even taste.
you know, my stomach once it's full, it's full.
Every day.
The
every day.
stomach
Tell
once
me
is
why you
full.
cannot get hungry.
But that's your wife's food. So
Yeah,
you
Tell
have
me
to
why you
taste.
can get
But my
get-
stomach once it's full, it's full. Like, even if I
But, no, but then now you are betraying me.
I wasn't betraying you at that time. But I'm sorry, I could. But nowadays, do I betray you? I am.
Nowadays he eats even more than me. But anyway, I'm sorry.
Anyway, guys.
That was just like temporary.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
And
Don't
thank you
worry.
for coming back here.
Yes.
Sorry.
No,
No, you know these things
This
sometimes.
this guy.
Still,
You know,
Turn it.
you're the one who has to be here at the
Turn it
kitchen.
like this.
Who?
Turn this.
You, because you are the one who came with
Maybe
this
like
to
the boy
surprise
one.
us.
Mm.
No, there's a. It's nini.
I want just to turn it like
Yeah. Bring that rubber. There's a rubber here.
this one here. Upper.
Kitchen rubber, yeah. Yeah, this one.
Silicone.
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
this way. And then, you know, it's very big. This you cannot carry it alone. With this, a lot of nyama.
Yeah, so
Anyway, guys, that was a short
we are
story.
good. We are
A short confession about. Sorry, guys.
About what has
A
been
short
happening.
confession about what has been happening. Also, thank you so much, True Boy, for coming.
Mm.
And
Yes.
yeah, here now you are throwing up the party.
Yeah, it's now it's come to
Yeah. Soon when we be going back in the village again, we'll be getting lost.
I will, if you get lost for me this time.
But by this time,
Don't go.
God willing, by this time, he's the one who's be getting lost at home because now, God willing, when we went back home, we can start even a small lift construction for our storehouse. Maybe he's the one who'll be getting lost now,
From his mom.
From his mom. Now the mom will be complaining to me.
Where
Where is you?
But I appreciate you.
Yeah.
And also congratulations for the progress that you've made.
Mm.
This guy has made a massive
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
like project, and it started when we were all watching and we
Yeah.
were praying. Remember when we started, we were very best friends.
Mm.
I was like always going there every day.
Mm.
Then they started getting disappearing. Then I was like,
Now we started isolating you.
now you started isolating me. Then I was like, this.
I remember even that day that you decided to work from home
Yeah.
to your home
Uh-huh.
because we were.
We were telling you that you are working a little bit.
Hey,
Yeah.
I was already like.
So by that time you would have knew that we had a lot of work
Yeah.
anyway.
Oh yeah, but it was that's okay. So thing is, congratulations,
Thank you so much.
Kabisa. Like
I know.
for real, guys, he's come a long way. Those were just setbacks a bit, like just because it's me. Let me
Yeah.
say it's me. Then now he has really done. He has come so far. Guys, kindly if you can support him, support him.
Yeah, to finish
Yeah,
completely.
finish completely
Because
the
by now,
construction.
yeah.
Also watch his videos. Most importantly,
Yeah.
you know, is also someone trying to like to grow and be, you know, represent his family.
Yeah.
He's like the breadwinner of the family right
Yeah.
now. He
Yeah.
does everything for the family.
Yeah.
So if you can watch his videos, remember not to skip the. If you want to support him, PayPal, M-Pesa, support this guy. He's an amazing-
MoneyGram.
MoneyGram.
Western
Yeah.
Union.
Support him.
Yeah.
He's one of a kind. And
Showers of money.
Yeah.
showers. Do it like this. You know,
Shower-
throw money on
shower-
his face.
shower some money, yeah.
And yeah, so that
Yeah.
he can. That's also just a polite request. If you if possible. Nothing serious.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, make him grow. Like, we want him to be up there. When he's up there, when one of your friends is up there, you feel good. You know, as you've not constructed, so we'll be benchmarking with this construction.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, he has built a big, massive house, so I can't wait to come there. We go there for a sleepover. Yeah,
we have a room there. We can convert our the kitchen. We can convert the kitchen pantry.
For you.
So that we come
Not
with
for
Maria.
us.
Vista's house.
For Vista's house.
No.
See, like for us, when we get it, of course we have
No, the
visitors,
kitchen
then-
pantry. The kitchen pantry is very big. Is it the
No,
pantry?
because why would we sleep in the pantry?
You want to sleep in the pantry?
Imagine.
Maybe I saw it because
The
I
house is
So,
big.
you maybe that time you'll be coming for food.
for food. Yeah, so that I can steal the food from the pot.
No, I don't
So
want
we are
that.
having me.
Stay away from my
It should be
kitchen.
me, Maria, Melo, and him.
Oh,
So our house, we
can-
come for a sleepover.
we can balance because
The day for housewarming. I think that day for housewarming we're going to sleep there.
He's
Yeah,
trembling.
exactly.
He's trembling.
Yeah.
Why are you
Party after
trembling?
Party
Party after party.
till morning.
Housewarming will be cooking, guys. I think we'll call like the outside caterers. We don't want to get tired. We want to be dancing. We want to be enjoying ourselves. We want to be
You want to have a belly dance.
The
You
belly
know, have
dancing.
you
That
seen the
day
belly
I will dance.
The belly dance? You have not seen the belly dance. Soon I'll take you
That
to
day
one of the best
I am
places.
the one. I'm the best belly dancer.
Dances.
Okay,
Do you know how to do the belly dance?
like this?
No.
Oh, what is the belly now? You
Do
don't
you know how to do the belly dance?
No.
You do like this. You do
Ah.
like this. So let me be straight. So you put it like this, and then you see the belly. You put it this way. You see, like this way is flat.
Guys, ignore him.
Now you got. Okay.
So guys, no, that's not belly dancing. So we can't wait to come and celebrate with him. I know his house is almost like it's 3/4 complete,
Yeah,
but then now we are yet to go. So guys, kindly support him, subscribe to his channel, watch his videos, and I think you're good to go.
Yeah.
And congratulations, and I'm happy for
I
you.
can't wait anyway. I can't wait to see my house finished.
Yes.
That day, and hopefully maybe at the end of the year.
Yeah.
That's what I ask God maybe to bless me by the end of the year so that I can be done by December. I open now finally the
Happy New Year. And
I enjoy my
Sweat.
my new year. When I'm inside there, my house fully completed, fully furnished, everything there. I'll be so happy anyway, and I believe that God will do wonders and bless more. So I finish the house very well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so you know Minhawi's words has been making the beef to boil. We always say that the neighbors are soup. The neighbors aroma made my nose to
I
run
don't know
to
that
run.
saying.
Yeah, I used to write composition. I used to be good at those wise phrases.
No.
Hey, you know, I used to do this. My neighbor cooked. My neighbor's soup made my nose to dance at times. I have forgotten those dance, but anyway.
Can we taste and feel if
No,
it's
it's
ready?
not. It's not yet ready.
Wait.
It's not yet
I
ready.
can take one.
No. You want to become a cannibal? You know, cannibals are the
Let's
people who
have
eat.
Let me taste.
Let's have it.
Yes.
It's not yet ready. 20 minutes.
It's my soup.
Okay, let's the soup.
It's my soup.
Okay, bring the something there.
Okay. The small.
Okay, yeah.
small.
Taste it. We haven't put salt.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Is it
I
ready?
taste these things, guys. I like tasting.
Soup is not yet ready.
Soup is not ready.
Yes.
So let me take one more, please.
Okay. Okay, try it because it's goat. It's goat.
Goat.
Yeah, it's goat because it doesn't need to boil too much. But
Yeah,
this
goat
one,
is very easy to cook.
let's wait and see. Anyway, is it?
It's ready.
It's almost ready.
Mm.
It's almost not ready. Anyway, guys, let's see how everything is. Right?
Yes.
All right. Guys, so we are here and the soup is almost.
It's ready.
It's
Yeah.
ready.
Yeah.
It's ready. So the soup is ready, guys. That's how you see. So you have the plate, and you tell you they need to sit down. Have the plate.
Their culture.
Traditionally, is what we would have done with those calabash.
Calabash.
Oh.
Now you see even this
Now we
one.
don't have calabash.
Now you see this
We
one.
don't have.
It has really boiled. So
No,
let me give you soup, baby girl. So and some bavu. So it's time to cook ugali, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, ugali and
I
some.
think it's enough.
It's enough for you.
Yeah.
You just have
It's
soup.
enough.
Have a lot of soup.
It's enough.
No. Soup.
You must have a meat.
Beef.
Yeah, beef. No, this is not beef. This is beefon.
Beefon?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. This
Okay.
is beefon. Goat's meat.
Let's
Beefon.
He's going to confirm.
Yeah,
Look,
I'm looking for a tail. There was a tail here. Don't
Did you
go.
put some salt?
You add. So also this one have bone marrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Thank
soup.
you. No, it's enough. Thank
Okay.
you.
So just Google there. Maybe I'm wrong. I might be wrong. It's called beefon. I might be wrong. Chivon, right? Yeah. It's called chivon.
Or mutton.
Mutton is
Chivon.
for sheep.
Mutton is for sheep.
No.
It's
Mutton
called
is-
chivon.
Mutton is for sheep.
Chicken or mutton.
Or
Yeah,
mutton.
it's called chivon. Yeah.
Goat
So
soup.
my mind was almost there.
Yeah.
Because I read it a long time ago. Chivon. It's the goat's meat.
Drink.
Yeah. So
You can feel good.
we're going to have ugali. Let's prepare ugali and also
Brown ugali.
you want brown ugali.
The local ugali.
Okay, just bring one. Now you cook brown ugali.
No, I
Let
don't
us
know.
see if you know how to cook brown ugali. And also there's some kind of beef that you want to fry them with also oil. Alright? Say you guys as we are doing this slowly by slowly.
Yes.
Slowly by slowly. Today's cooking day over here. Yeah. Yeah, so hey, come on man. So guys, there are those who like goat fry. So you want to fry it to roast it until it looks like nematoma. Hmm? So already we have the other one that has soup. For me, how soup, and then we have also this one over here. Fry.
Hey, I can't wait to remove, to eat the bone, pull the bone and the meat in the mouth.
You
Very
want?
nice.
Should we put it all here so we put the soup at that place? What do you think?
It will be too much.
Which one?
We add
We add the beef here and then the other one with the soup we leave it. So choose. Choose.
Well, I think just give people options.
Okay.
The other one soup is for.
The other soup is also for eating ugali with ugali.
It's okay, just do the way you had planned.
Okay. Alright, let's be. And also, Trubo, I'm going to help him cook this one. You know now, cooking brown ugali is one of the things that qualifies if you are a real man or a real woman.
Ah.
Yeah.
Have you ever cooked the
Yes.
brown ugali?
Yes, in the
You
gas.
know, brown ugali sometimes they
You
when
step down.
Yeah, like this. You put it as free idea and then you do like
Like
this.
you need it.
It's not easy. That's what I'm asking.
We have started to get afraid. I always cook here brown ugali, and it's plenty. So you will help me now hold. I'll help you hold this, and then you mingle
Okay.
it
Oh yeah, if you like that now. It's
and
okay.
cook gently.
You need it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this
I
will
will
this
try.
will come down.
I will try.
Guys, we'll be seeing this over here. Let's wait and see. Okay. So I'm just chopping these guys for the goat fry. For those who love goat fry, so I have to put this for goat fry in here. And also water for water. Good boy. Water is ready.
Oh.
Yeah. So water is ready, guys. So also have to prepare ugali. But before that, I have to chop these tomatoes. Chop the tomatoes slowly by slowly as we are waiting for ugali to cook.
Where's the flour?
Flour is here. Flour. It's here. So today it's boys cooking. You know?
Don't joke.
Yeah, today is no joke. Today is no joke. Reduce the water. Just like that. And then this way. So tomatoes are also ready. Cooking stick from here down. That one.
I'm not feeling well.
You're not feeling well. That's an excuse. Bring them in. Let's see.
What do you want?
Oh, I want to add flour in there. So let me add flour for you as you cook, right? So this is how we cook, guys, ugali. So brown ugali. In Nagas like here, you have to cook 2 people because it's crazy, and then you have to put plenty of flour. Yeah. No, wait fast. Hey,
Wait fast.
wait fast.
Why wait fast?
Until it boils. Okay. I think that way it's okay. Okay.
Let it boil then.
Just start slowly as it continues.
Let's wait for them at least bubbles to come out.
But because you have already started this way, it has already touched. So that's true boy cooking. Easy.
You know when you have to rush, the flour is going to be down.
So you do it faster, like this.
You see?
No, easy.
We're going to make this.
It must be that.
You're the one who did this.
Not me. You know the way you are leaving it, the way it will be. Use the plastic, Nini.
What?
Let me help you from here.
Something like this. Okay, start then.
From this side. Okay, you finish from this side. Okay. I told you earlier that this one will just take you back to school.
Not a joke.
It's not a joke. You have to be a perfectionist for this.
I add you flour.
Yeah, add flour in here.
You know, people don't know how to cook this,
Yeah,
so they might think that you are putting
playing
a lot of flour.
You add until I tell you. Add until I tell you no. Okay. Now we are multitasking this.
Is there enough?
No, add.
Who taught you to do this?
You know me, I'm a typical village boy. Typical. You know typical?
I can see, I'm seeing even.
You see?
Now that's enough.
That's enough. But still, you can add, but not enough. You know this ugali can just cook one side.
Yes, guys, that's how we cook
Brown ugali.
brown ugali. It's not easy anyway. And we have also our fried meat here.
It's cooking. Okay.
Yeah, man.
You know this one?
You have really tried.
You know
That's what I was telling you.
this one.
Or should I
Let me hold the sufuria. You continue with this. You know
No.
this one. You have to play. This
Oh,
one,
really? For sure.
muscle.
It's not a joke. That's
It's not
what
a
I was
joke.
telling you. Like, you know, sometimes they need something somewhere where at least when you are turning the ugali.
The holds.
Yes, you see now even the cooker is.
It's spraying. It's jumping
You
from.
can put it down also.
But now down I don't have the slippers to step on.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. But it's coming on shape, right?
You just finish the race, bro. Because I will see fire there.
I finished the rest. You know this one you have to have heavy what you call like power and heavy ribs. We need to turn this. And also I'm turning with one hand. You know, I'm cooking for the whole family.
True.
Yeah, so you have to do it sarcastically. You turn it up and down. Hey, brown ugali, it's not a joke to cook. Yeah. You cook.
Just cook. That's how it is.
Huh?
It's not easy. Even our moms are seeing fire back at home.
But that one, you know, it's good to you hold it with two hands this way.
Yes, it becomes easy. But it now you have to
use one hand.
Turn it with one hand.
And our roast beef. Oh no, chicken.
Or mutton.
Huh?
Or mutton.
Mutton.
Even for sheep is mutton.
That way. You turn. It's not easy. Minhawi. Min Maria. Come look at this. You know how to cook brown ugali?
No.
Just try to turn it, you see.
She can't.
Let's cook. Turn it. Okay, turn it. Tuingia kamera nyuma kidogo.
Oh my God.
Yeah, just do it like that.
Just do it like that, slowly by slowly.
This is a lot of work.
Pull it. Pull it. Yeah. Pull it. You're good to go.
I'm good to go. So
Yes.
I feel like this is coming down.
It will not come down.
It's not easy.
Oh my God.
Turn it.
I qualify now as a wife.
Yeah.
If you can cook this,
And that's true anyway. They believe that when you marry,
You're already sweating.
Oh my hands
Like
are
this
red.
one, I'm turning it with one hand.
Come
Come on, man. Somebody's calling me. Charles.
Should I help you?
It's ready. It's ready even.
Oh, Charlie B. Hey. So you know this one, I'm turning it with one hand. And almost it's ready now.
But it has to cook first.
No,
Cover
it's
it.
ready.
Without it,
The more you cook it, the more it will become so slender like a cake.
Yeah.
It will melt. You know this one, the more you cook, the more it melts.
That's how they cook.
This food.
okay.
Yeah, so just like this, our ugali is just that way. But our, what we call like our cooker. Our cooker is crazy. Yeah, let me show you now how it is. Just this way. Just this way. Just like that. You see now the way it is? And then from that way, now you have to have some tactics of you taking it out. Just like that.
Like that.
Yes. You have to make sure it's going down.
It will go. It will go.
Just like that. So you see our brown ugali. So let's cover it up. Let's cover it up and then we continue with our
Cooking process.
yeah, cooking process. So just like that. Let's add this. Don't mind about this. Don't mind about our cooker. It's because of cooking brown
ugali.
That's a must. If it's for many people, it's a must be this way. Okay.
True.
So So just like this, and then we are done a little bit. Okay.
There is that cover there down there.
What?
Move in the go.
This one is for this one. Not every sufuria has its own. Okay, guys. See you. And now, here is our goat. Our goat. Wow. Very easy. Very yummy. Slowly, slowly. You know? So, let's wait and see how it's going. Yummy. Very nice. Guys, so it's time to serve. Let me serve my lovely wife. So just that way. So yeah, just that way. Eh? So just that way, slowly. I packed my wife, my friends, and then we wanna be going. So it's time also. So it's time also for me to cut mine, and also leave ugali for Juma, for True Boy, and yeah. So I've already started myself. Self-service slowly by slowly. So mine is here.
We have followed the protocol.
Yeah.
Last time they said
ladies first.
Ladies first. And now today ladies are eating and it's when now we are serving.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Okay, serve yourself and eat for Nini.
Alright.
How is it, babe?
Delicious. Oh my God, that's why he chose you.
Yeah, that's why you chose me.
That's why he chose you.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
And also the family of my friend also, they're also enjoying. Hi. And also with me here, I also want to enjoy. I have to sit down and enjoy my food. You know? Alright. Okay. This is Lige Edward.
Yeah, Lige Edward.
Lige Edward has entered now. It's time to eat. You know? Yeah. It's time for him also to serve brown ugali and everything.
Yes,
Hey,
guys, I'm here at Proud Joseph.
Yes.
Yeah, is it a surprise?
That's a surprise.
No, but you have a big stomach. They are good.
No, it was for friends. You know, not only
Oh,
me.
it is True Boy.
True Boy,
Yeah.
Charles,
Yeah.
you and I, so we have to enjoy this.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, so
Thank you
just
for-
self-service,
Yeah.
and then you'll be good to go. I have to rush somewhere, then I'll be back. Okay.
Hi guys. Oh my God, it's this guy left and he took our friend he's traveling to the village, Charles. He's traveling to the village and he left and took his wife and kid to the bus station, and he forgot his camera here. So right now he's calling me, I have forgotten my camera. Please wind up for me the video because I want to make it on time. So this is what I'm doing. I was actually sleeping. No, talking to someone after I was sleeping for a while. Then I woke up to talk to a friend of mine. So guys, thank you so much for having watched here. We've enjoyed our meals. Our friends were here. We had fun. Those are like his brothers. So we had fun and I'm so grateful to them. Charles, True Boy, and Edward Lige. Yeah, I'm not used to him so much. So I'm so grateful for them for having, just thought of me and, considered me, just to prepare food for me. Like, when men come and prepare food for you, it means that they really, truly care and appreciate you. So I'm so grateful, guys. Here is Mombasa currently. It started raining yesterday and I thought that it's going to rain for like every day, and it has stopped. So hopefully it continues raining. With me, I love rain. I love Mombasa when it rains, because when it rains, there's that cold. It feels cold. It's very not so warm. It's just like the village. So I'm super happy that the weather is not as hot as it used to be. So it used to be so hot, and here today, this thing here had a problem. We fixed it. The tap had broken and we fixed it today. We had like also a how do you call them, a plumber here who was fixing this because it had broken. So in future when I get a in future when I get, what do you call it, a washing machine, I put it here. So I'm working, I'll work hard when I get back on my feet 100%. I promise to work hard until I get myself a washing machine, you know, so that it's here and everything else is simplified, because I want to be doing content every day. So I need to make my work easier, because when you have a small baby, I don't want to come and wash, and CJ sister is going to go. I'll have to get maybe someone who helps me with work around here, or maybe go to the village. So I just need to get it here. I like simplifying my life. I want to make my life as simple as possible, you know, so that you don't have to strain, you know. Me I love simple life here. So thank you so much. Thank you for all of you who've watched this far. We are super grateful. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and supporting CJ. He's an amazing person, an amazing man, an amazing husband, an amazing dad. He helps me a lot, and I'm so grateful for him, guys, because he has stood with me like for a very long time. Not for a very long time, like since we were in the hospital. He has shown some other side that I never knew he had. So trust me, I'm so grateful for him, and I appreciate him even if I don't get to say it each and every day. Thank you so much, babe, for always showing up, for always trying. Even when I'm giving up sometimes, he's like, no, let's do this. No, please, let's just do it. He's one persistent guy who is shown that he's a person who's willing to lead, you know, and ready to lead, and I'm so grateful that I have that in my life, you know. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. Kindly subscribe. Also check me out. I've started doing videos, at least after one day I skip, then I do the next day. So I was actually planning to do a live stream today. I don't know if by the time you're watching this I'm going to do the live stream or not, because apparently my phone is at 20%, so it is like to be charged and all that. So thank you so much, guys. You're amazing, you're wonderful, you're beautiful. May God keep on protecting you and, you know, giving you good health. Yeah, you're amazing people. Thank you. And remember to share this live stream, this video, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, God bless you. The food was amazing, the food was good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video to the end. Okay, yeah, thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.